In this video, I will show you how to change logo size for mobile only in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Online Store, then click Themes. On your current theme, click the three dots button and select Edit Code. Once the code editor opens, look for the Assets folder and open your base.css, theme.css, or styles.css file, depending on your theme. Scroll to the bottom of the file and paste this CSS code. You can change the 120 pixels value to make the logo smaller or larger on mobile devices only. After adding the code, click Save. Now, refresh your store on a mobile device or use your browser's mobile view to check the new logo size. The desktop logo size will remain unchanged, while only the mobile version updates. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.